Hello everyone, welcome to the Industry 4. I am Kuldeep Kaushik and today we are going to discuss about the Industry 4 and Cloud Native. In this video we are going to discuss about background and important aspects of Cloud Native. The Industry 4 and Cloud Native. Every industry no matter how big or small must digitalize by cultivating the benefits from the implementation of emerging technologies. To realize this digitalization, cloud computing is the most critical emerging technology which is proving its impact in all kinds of industry verticals. As we are now entering the fourth industrial revolution or Industry 4.0, like its three predecessors, Industry 4.0 brings about new levels of productivity in manufacturing through applying technology and automation in both production and management processes. In this way, Industry 4.0 could not be excluded when we discuss cloud computing and its highest maturity level, that is the cloud native, which is the key for exposing the maximum capabilities of Industry 4.0 applications. Being first to cloud native means being first to greater scale, diversified interoperability and greater efficiency than ever before. So what's needed? What's needed for Industry 4.0 based enterprises to take their organization functions and applications into the cloud? Cloud native. It's about a progression path. It's about a progression path from a traditional IT environment to cloud native in a form of journey, in a form of modernization, and in a form of maturity model. As I have said, being first to the cloud native means being first to greater scale, diversified interoperability and greater efficiency than ever before. So what's needed? What's needed for Industry 4.0 based enterprises to take their organization, functions and application into the cloud? Now before moving forward, let me elaborate that cloud native computing is a tactics and a methodology in a software development that applies cloud computing to build and run scalable applications in modern, dynamic and diversified cloud environments. These modern and diversified cloud environments can be categorized into four categories. First, public cloud environment. Second, private cloud environment. Third, hybrid cloud environment. And fourth, multi-cloud environment. Now let me highlight the key benefits of cloud native. One of the most important benefits of cloud native is the operational efficiency and shorter time to market for new services, as the software is both more decoupled from the underlying hardware and decomposed into smaller components. This allows for faster and more automated upgrades by applying CI/CD, means continuous integration and continuous delivery. Further benefits of cloud native implementations are better use of cloud data center resources, improved granularity and increase the speed of software upgrade and release. Let's move forward to understand the important aspects of cloud native. These are the important aspects of an enterprise is going to be impacted by the adoption and implementation of cloud native. The first aspect is application design and development. This is the way we design and build our software applications. Second aspect is technology and infrastructure. This is the way we deploy our applications on our IT infrastructure. Third aspect is process and ways of working. This is the way we work in a collaborative environment as compared to silo zones. And the fourth one is management and orchestration. This is the way we manage our applications and infrastructure with a holistic approach. Now the most important fact is that all these aspects do not provide any outcome in separation, means these all aspects have an effect on each other, so not any of them should be unnoticed at any point in time. For example, if applications, infrastructure and orchestration all follow the cloud native design rules and patterns, yet we would not be able to take all the benefits and full potential of cloud native setup if we have not worked on processes and ways of working. So thanks everyone for watching this video. So this is the first video in which we have tried to establish the context of cloud native and its association with the Industry 4.0. In our coming videos we will further elaborate other aspects of cloud native, like 7 fundamental features of cloud native and 4 steps of cloud native journey. So follow our channel so that you can get updates on our upcoming videos. Thank you. And yes, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Definitely we like your appreciation, but any criticism is equally important for us. So please provide your valuable feedback and please like, share and comment on our video. Stay in touch and we will see you again. Thank you. Goodbye.